Okra Chickpea Coconut Milk Stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the okra recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes and one of the most nutritious of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make chickpea okra coconut milk stew. The ingredients are around 200 grams of okra cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 1 green chili, 1 onion cut into pieces, 8 to 10 shallots, and 1 tomato cut into pieces, and around 250 grams of chickpea soaked in water for 6 hours. Heat the pan and pour 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces and the shallots. Salt. Salt the onions and the shallots together. Put in the garlic and the ginger pieces. Keep on sauteing. Okra pieces. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Using potato and the okra completely disappear. Now put in the tomato pieces. Put in the green chili, salt, salt the tomato pieces and the green chili with the rest of the ingredients. Put in 2 spoons of mix your spices. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Thoroughly mix in the salt and the mixture spices with the rest of the mixture. Put in the chickpea pieces. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Mix in the chickpea with the rest of the ingredients. Pour in 300 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 40 minutes if in the open pan. Now the chickpea okra coconut milk stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final chickpea okra coconut milk stew, or okra chickpea coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the okra recipes and one of the most nutritious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.